Guys, I got a problem. It's this car. It just won't start. I know why. You see this? No power. No power at all. And I tried everything. I bought a Noco power boost. In my battery, I unplugged this one. Can somebody please tell me how to get this off? Please. I need to replace this battery. Then this is not coming off. What year is this? I don't know what year it is, but this bolt right here is stripped. And that's just bad. So yeah, that's just a number of problems, by the way. Another thing is this thing. This is a car cover. And guess what this car cover did? It absolutely destroyed the paint on my car. I'm just all around having a bad day. Look at this. Are you serious? I'm finna wrap the car anyway, so I'm not too mad. But this, come on, man. So what's some wrap suggestions, y'all? I'm gonna need some wrap suggestions. I was gonna make a video today about cutting up in traffic with my Corvette, but I can't even get the thing started. The battery dead. I don't try jumping it with this truck over here, this car, the Noco battery. The battery is dead. And it's because it's a parasitic battery. It's a parasitic car. The car's just sucks battery. So this one I'm finna do. My next video is finna be cutting up in the Toyota Corolla. Hey, that's smooth though. Hold on, let's get a POV. Hold on. We gonna get a POV. Okay, hold on. Stop playing. Swoo. That's doable though. Like, I can do that. And that's probably what I'm finna do for right now, because my baby, bro. Like, I haven't started the car in like 2 weeks, bro. And I got so many videos I want to make with the car, but I can't even get it started, so. I just need to see why it's just, the battery is so bad. Like, it literally died in 1 day, so that was already a dead giveaway on why the battery is just bad. And then I'm trying to see how this clip works. Like, what type of clip is this? I can't take it off. It's like clipped over. I can't, like, I'm moving the whole battery. This is stripped right here. This is stripped. But it's cool, whatever. We still gonna make videos. We not gonna be demotivated, even though I'm going through hell right now just to even get this car started. But it's cool. Even though we going through hell, we gonna prevail. Stop playing with me. But any video suggestions about that? Need to also figure out how to, oh, look at that. It's crazy, but we need to figure out how to get that battery started. Well, we finna replace the battery, so we finna figure out how to get that battery off tomorrow, and I'm probably gonna record the whole process and get it off, replace it, and start up from there, because there's a lot more things I gotta do with the car. There's a lot of cons with the car. Con number 1, the battery. Con number 2, no AC. Con number 3, probably need a new alternator. Con number 4, it's a 5.7. Ain't no problem with the 5.7s. Now let me come correct. Ain't no problem with the 5.7s, but it's a 5.7. It's a nice neighborhood, but the pros, man, you can't ignore the pros. The pros are good. Reliable car when everything is fixed. Sounds amazing. Fast, for me at least. I think I'm gonna try to. Oh, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all what I did to even. This is the first thing I did when I woke up. I tried to start the battery with the Power Boost battery, 1500 amps. XL, whatever it's called. I saw good reviews. It's gonna work. I'm not even blaming the I'm not blaming the battery charger because I know it works actually. So there's this button on here that tells you that, hey, if your car can't read it, I mean, if the battery can't read, if the charger can't read the battery, then your battery's completely dead. So I put it on there, couldn't read it, so you have to override it. Man, it's been an hour on the charger. Didn't charge. It's not charging. It's broke. Hold on. So look. I don't use every tool to man. I used this. This didn't work. Let me show y'all how it works. In case y'all have one, that's how it works. First, crank the battery. You put it on. You turn it on like this. It's dead now. I done drained it from full. You put the negative on the negative, the positive on the positive. You press this button. And it's supposed to, you know what I'm saying? It works. It does. The problem is, I think my battery's fully dead. So, yeah. I haven't started the car in so long, I'm starting to get spider webs, too. Look at that. It's just absurd, man. I really don't know what else to do. Yeah, like I said, new videos finna be... Sorry, my head itchy. New videos finna be cutting up in Toyota Corolla, downtown Houston, or Houston area for real. Tomorrow's Monday, so it's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna do that early in the morning though, cause is that my cat? That ain't my cat. I'm gonna do that early in the morning though, cause who wants to just wait around and stuff like that? My new, also, I have a new microphone coming in. This new microphone is equipped to stand from the stupid, I know. For the views I do get, this microphone is supposed to stop from all that wind noise and stuff like that. It's just gonna have the your vocals. That's it. Well, I'm gonna take the microphone off whenever I'm doing car videos and stuff like that. But when it comes to like regular vlogs and stuff like that, oh yeah, we finna just attach that. It's really good. I've seen good reviews about it, so I'm finna use it, test it out in my next video whenever I do another vlog and stuff like that. And yeah, I'm trying to see if I didn't go anywhere. Like today, I'm just chilling. I ain't gonna lie, I've been frustrated today. Today's been frustrating. I'm not even gonna lie. So that's it for this video. I just can't believe, like, the battery is one thing, but the chipping of the paint is another, bro. Don't buy this. Don't buy that, because it don't work. I mean, it does work, but a lot of things with this car that's really just demotivating me, and sometimes even demotivating me to record. But like, man, just get a video out, post something. Something needs to get posted. So that's what I'm finna do. I'm just gonna keep posting. And then YouTube ain't pushing my stuff out. Like, what's up, YouTube? They're not pushing me out, man. But it's cool. I'm gonna keep uploading. I still got trust and love. Appreciate y'all. See y'all later. Bye.